Hello, and here's another unboxing of Lego Brick Headz. It's the Back to the Future with Marty McFly and Doc Brown. Did one earlier of The Simpsons, and this one is probably similar. As you can tell, there's like custom Lego bricks to make these characters. They come out with a bunch of these. There was like DC characters. I mean, there's just a bunch, like, TV shows, cartoons, games, stuff like that. They're all Lego came out these. I think they run about $5 to $15. As you can see, it's 10 plus. Last box I opened, there was 2 bags, one for each character, and then one instruction for each character. So I'm gonna open it up. And as you can see, there's a little tab where you shove your finger in and you open it. You glue a piece open. So in the last one, I showed bits and pieces of this. So there's a bag with a number on it, 2, and another one, and 1. And you should get 2 sets of instructions, one for each character. So you get like a Doc Brown, how they fold it. I don't know why they fold it. This box is big enough to contain it being flat. And then one for Marty McFly. Approximate build time. If you just build it straight, I was doing it kind of listening to music. Take about 15 to 20 minutes. A lot of little pieces. It's kind of hard to do. It's rough on the fingers. If you have like those thumb or finger things that, I don't know, to protect your hands, it's a good idea. I'm going to build them and then show you the end product. That's about it. You'll see in a bit. Okay, first one finished was the Marty McFly Brick Headz. See, it's a Marty McFly wearing his vest. It looks like a life vest. Has little bumps on it. Apparently it's a style now. It's getting Costco selling a lot of them. So rotate that. And it's full-fledged with the Sony camcorder. Okay, on to the next one. Okay, here's the second figurine for Lego Brick Headz. It's Doc Brown. See here. Complete with remote control to the DeLorean. And you can see them together. There you go. I gotta say, the Marty McFly was easier to build than the Doc Brown. His hair has a lot of detail and a lot of pieces, and it was really not easy to do. It took a lot longer. Okay, a little background. Back to the Future, really cool movie. Time travel. Took into account a car that they were able to build into a movie. Had 3 movies. The first one is the best. The second one had some good points to it, and then the third one just a little off the wall. It went way far back in time, but introduced a different thing that they could have built on. Who knows? In any case, I would check out the movie if you have never seen it. Thanks.